Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, the speaker for sounds, in a Motorola G22 phone. For this we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. We need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, to soften the dirt, and then it will evaporate without leaving any trace. You can buy a brush and a diffuser like this in a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard and it should work too. The phone must be turned off during cleaning. Never clean a phone while it's turned on because you could damage it. We soak the brush thoroughly with alcohol so that it is wet. We take the phone in our hand. Here we have the buzzer. We clean these 3 holes and those 3 holes in one direction. We carefully perform about 10 to 15 strokes for each individual hole, so to speak, in order to thoroughly clean out all of these holes, and ensure the buzzer output is completely clear and free of debris. And the same in the other direction. And again, the same in the other direction. We repeat the action to perfectly clean the buzzer holes so that it works like new. We won't have to replace it. The sound will be as if the phone just came out of the box. Now towards the screen. And towards the back cover. And we have everything cleaned. We set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates. And we have the phone ready for use. We can turn it on and use it normally now. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.